So, welcome back. It's Sunday. It's quite early. I'm on my way to a little getaway camping again. That was a proper horse, gotta say. It's not perfectly even, but I'm thinking here. Getting there. Window in the back, the two sides, and I got a window for the front as well. Gonna put that later, but this is nice with all the light. And then you could let more air in like this. Stove jack, vents. Well, tent is up. I did put up the inner for the wind, if there's gonna be wind, and I used the ground sheet just for the halfway for the inner. So basically what I need to get before I chill is to get the wood stove and the wood, and maybe there's other bits and bobs I need to get. Getting a brew. My favorite stove, the Snow Peak bipod, maybe it's called, can't remember, because it's stable. You use 2 legs at the stove and the gas canister. So if you cook or fry, it's rock solid. So we're missing something important. Croissant. It's kind of weird because the forecast is always more grim than reality. Usually they said rain all day, a lot, nothing. They said should be strong wind all day as well. No, not yet. It's quite calm. Now I want to enjoy my coffee and my croissant. Cheers. I have some beautiful drone shots of this area, but living in Sweden means that you need to upload the movie, the exact movie with the exact resolution, and you get an approval or not before you could put anything on YouTube or social media. So hopefully that will be done in a couple of days, which means I will have a separate drone video from this area with some sunsets and sunrise and stuff. It's beautiful. So hopefully that will be a video soon. I can feel there is a little bit more breeze now when I'm very close to the beach. But as you can see, it's not a hurricane or a storm exactly. So this is Baltic Sea, and well, if you've seen my channel before, you know this beach is beautiful, and it stretches all the way and all the way, and it's basically never crowded. And the reason is the water temperature. It's freezing cold even during summertime. So I'm gonna make some noodles as a late lunch, and I accidentally bought something that is made for a micro oven. So it's not sure how this is gonna work, but I assume that it will work somehow. No idea what this is. Yeah. See what this tastes like. Tastes like noodles. So this is my little hack, or whatever you call it. It's a slippery mat. I think it's for bathtub, but it keeps the sleeping pad from sliding around. So it's much more grippy. Of course. That'll be good, I think. Oven, wood stove, wood. So what I think I need to do is to get some stuff out of the cooler. It's for me it's a new cooler, and I have probably too many ice blocks in it. So it's not a cooler, it's probably more like a freezer for the moment. And this one is I'm all lost. Cutting board, knife, my homemade pizza dough, and my very homemade tomato sauce, spoon, some other stuff. Oops, that's how I did it. Now I remember. And I think I'll just make it simple. Cut it in two. Pizza tray. I have not been working as a pizza chef, that's for sure. That is perfect, kind of. This we can. All right, and I'm gonna add some mushrooms. Then I think I should have some chili. make it a little bit more spicy. Cheese. So you know what? I'm pretty sure it's ready to go. Campfire pizza. Got my pizza. Got one more to go, but I will actually wait and ridiculous. Actually, I have worked as a pizza chef in Napoli a long time ago. Probably before Hadrian's Wall, but things you remember. What a day. What a day. Best Sunday I've had this week. It's actually quite cold in the wind. In a few, I will get into the sleeping bag. I'm still full from the pizza, which were excellent. Very, very good. So, yeah. Unless there will be some spectacular things going on tonight. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. Been awake for half an hour maybe. Had a reasonable good night of sleep. The wind did pick up. Tent is still quite quiet. Quite quiet. It's not flapping around so much, so it's not that noisy. It was a bit chilly, around 2-3 degrees, but with the wind chill, minus. So I started a wood stove and gonna have a brew now. And then maybe I will just get back into the sleeping bag, because today I'm not in a rush. Beautiful Monday morning, 9:30 maybe, something like that. I've been just chilling out, starting to wrap up a bit, carry things to the car. Haven't decided for how long I will stay today. I've got the full day if I want, but I've got shit to do as well. So here we are. Yeah, so this has been a nice getaway again. Oh, I want spring so much. It is spring, but I want more than 6 degrees. Back at the tent. Was a good spot. It was sheltered from the wind. Now I have the wind a little bit from the side, and color-wise it blends in very good at this spot. So, brew and breakfast maybe. There's still some glow in the wood stove I started this morning, but I'm gonna let that finish. I'm out of wood anyway, so a bit of shelter. It's quite nice actually. I think I will be just sitting here for an hour. That's it. Leave no trace. Haven't forgotten anything. No. Looks exactly as when I arrived. That's good. Alright. Time to head to base, to home, and prepare for the next adventure. It might be on Sunday already actually. See you soon. Cheers.